They say it's about the water, and after soaking in it, I get it. But is Crystal Crane Hot Springs really worth the drive into the middle of nowhere? Let's find out. Tucked away in Oregon's high desert, Crystal Crane is the kind of place you go when you want to unplug, unwind, and maybe question your GPS signal. Centerpiece here is the big, open-air soaking pool. It's huge, it's steamy, and it's basically a natural hot tub with better views and fewer frat bros. The water, silky smooth, like suspiciously nice. It's geothermal, mineral rich, and hovers around 100 to 102 degrees. Perfect for soaking without boiling your brain. And yes, you can float around like a relaxed potato while watching the clouds roll by. 10 out of 10 would soak again. Now if you're feeling brave or just cold-blooded, there's the Lobster Pot. It's a private tub that gets hot, like, am I in soup now, hot? It's perfect if you want a more private soak or if you're trying to sweat out your regrets from last night's campfire chili. But the real magic happens after dark. The stars out here are unreal. No light pollution, just you, the steam, and the occasional hoot of an owl. Soaking at night feels like you've stepped into a dream, or a spa commercial, or both. Just remember to bring a flashlight, and maybe don't run across the gravel barefoot. Ask me how I know. The cedar-lined bathhouse is private, steamy, and rentable by the hour. Sounds sketchy, but here it's just a classy way to soak without strangers. They've got 13 rustic cabins, a 3-bedroom ranch house, and even a 3-bedroom inn. Some cabins have private soaking tubs on the porch, because nothing says vacation like boiling yourself under the stars. And yes, there are teepees with tubs, so if you ever wanted to glamp like a pioneer with plumbing, this is your moment. For us teardrop folks and tent campers, there's a campground with 15 tent sites and 9 RV spots. It's basic, no dump station, but you do get picnic tables, fire pits, and 24/7 access to the hot springs. There's also an overflow gravel lot if you're rolling in late or forgot to book ahead. It's not glamorous, but hey, the water's still hot. The main pond is over 9,000 square feet and holds more than 300,000 gallons of mineral-rich water. It's about 5 feet deep in the middle and stays around 101 degrees Fahrenheit. You can soak all day, all night, and yes, stargazing from the pond is as magical as it sounds. Just don't drop your phone or your dignity. So, is Crystal Crane worth it? If you like hot water, quiet nights, and the kind of peace you can't stream, absolutely. And if you want my full cheat sheet on this place, best spots, what to pack, what not to do barefoot, grab it in the Ko-fi link below. Hit like if you ever turned into a raisin in a hot spring, and subscribe for more campsite reviews, DIY teardrop adventures, and lessons learned the hard way.